Good day, welcome to the part 2 of our required here, which is the maximum value of angular velocity can be exposed without spilling any liquid. So, yan. Para makompute natin to, we can say that yung volume ng air in initial ay equal sa volume ng air in final. First thing to do is to compute for the volume ng initial, which is volume ng cylinder, which is pi r squared h, our pi will be, our r will be 1 square, our height will be 1 din. So pi ulit yung volume natin dito. Secondly is to compute for the final volume. Our final volume will now become ganun pa rin, 1/2 pi r squared h. Okay? Okay, ayan. Then, i-ano natin, no? Equate natin. So, parehas lang naman to ng content eh. Sabi niya kasi, without spilling, so hindi natapon. Yung volume ng air nito, initially, is equal to the volume of the final of air. So, pi is equal to 1/2 pi r squared h. Computing for the value of h with r is equal to, ano pala to? Okay. Palitan na natin yung r natin dito. Okay, so pi 1/2. Ganun din pala yung r natin. 1. So makukompute natin yung h. Ang h natin is 2 meters. Okay. Then, computing for the maximum value of omega, gamitin natin yung h is equal to omega squared x squared over 2g. Okay. Ganun. So, 2 meters is equal to omega squared. And then, ang x natin dito, ganun pa rin. 1 over 2 times 9.81. Computing for the omega, compute natin in rad per second. .26 rad per second. Convert natin into revolution. In 1 revolution, meron tayong 2 pi rad. Okay, cancel si rad. Then convert natin yung seconds into minutes. Meron tayong 60 seconds in 1 minute. Cancel second. So, yan. Our omega, 6.26 times 60 divided by 2 pi. So, meron tayong 59.82. revolution per minute or RPM in short. So, yan yung sagot natin.